What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at AMD stock. So let's do the price action analysis and let's figure out, is this thing has a potential to go up from here, or is the price action still showing us the signs of that sellers are still present and this thing will come lower? So we'll talk about all of that. We'll take a look at the price structure, the action, and the data itself, and let's try to figure out if AMD has any chances of going up from here, holding this pivot, or is this just continue to plummet? So guys, with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. All right, so a bit of background first of all. AMD has been in the downtrend, and you can see we have taken a lot of plays on this as well, profitable plays. But now as AMD after earnings, and I talked about it that guys, this candle is coming with a wick forming, and it has brought the price above back again 145 and 41 cents with this sort of forming a support at the previous pivot. Expect a rebound at least back to 20 days moving average. So we got that rebound, right? And after that, I have been saying that now the next leg back to the upside would be if this pullback holds a support at 151. Now, today, this thing tried to go up above 20 days moving average as well after finding some rebound or pullback at 151 and tried to shoot back up. However, it got sold off, right, in today's candle. So we are still below 20 days moving average. Now, whenever you see a failure of pullback and it starts to come lower, I'll show you a lot more things that will confirm this thesis in just a second. But as when we see this pullback happening, trying to go up and it gets sold off, it usually results into the level not holding anymore and the level break, 151 in this case. So as for right now, what I want to say right now is that I'll provide my full opinion later at the end of the video as we go through all the data and the structure. But right now, yes, the structure is failing to continue this pullback back to the upside. So all in all, we are still in the downtrend, and this little bit of rebound that we had, we need to sign this off as this rebound is complete, and the next potential play to the upside right now is having hard time doing that. Let's go to the hourly interval. Things will get much more clear. So what I want to bring your attention to is, where did AMD started selling off after earnings, right? So this is a supply zone right over here, right? This is where we had the sell-off. So this is acting as a supply zone right now. You can see we came up here, rejected again, started to sell off. Today we had a bit of rebound, we gapped up, hooray, right? We got above 200 hours. Moving average tried to get above 20 days moving average, but what are you seeing? This massive red candle came, and that's a very close to the supply zone, right? I mean, it's not fully at the supply zone, but very close to supply zone also. You know, every time we are making a lower high as well with that. So this is resulting in a sell-off, right? And guys, usually when we have, as I just showed you on daily interval, when we have a second failure in the pullback and we can't go higher, we couldn't even hold a structural support at neither $153. We could have constituted that just as a pullback as well, but we couldn't hold that. We couldn't even hold $154 range. So this all led to the structure shifting again to the downside. And in my opinion, guys, this time, eventually going in next week, at least I'll talk about it more on the weekend as well. But right now, because market is still open right now, it's a mid-afternoon update, we most likely going to break this 151 this time, just my opinion. Again, nothing is guaranteed, right? If AMD gets above 153 and 25 cents again at this point, it again will start to look upside game again. Otherwise, no. Below 200 hours moving average, it is looking like a game to the downside to me again, and at least the level of 145 can come. And yes, I'm looking to open up a short play on this. Usually I don't open plays on Friday, so I will see, but it's right at my very interesting area where I would want to open up a short, and I can even have a stop loss somewhere up here, 156 and 42 cents, and I'm targeting this 145 and 30 cents. But yes, I'm interested to open up this short play where the price is right now, and I might do that. So yeah, and once I do, I'll provide you an update as well. But yeah, this is the play I'm looking at. I want to provide you a play and also what I'm thinking of. But yes, this is a short play I'm looking at on AMD now. And so yes, the structure has been failing, guys, over and over again, running into that sell-off zone. And as I showed you that second time on the hourly interval, I showed you that when the pullback has failed, there's more likelihood that we will come lower. And then we will see if this level holds again, 145, because look, this is an important level, 200 days moving average is right over there. I might also want to reduce my stop loss on this, not even keep it high up there, but maybe keep it at maybe just 20 days moving average and above. And, yeah, this is the thing that I do want to make sure that $151 levels break, right? So that also the thing is that, right? I'm going a little bit ahead of time, but safer would be if you go at the time of break of 151. But yeah. So guys, that's that with AMD. And so what I want to say in this video as for the analysis is we are still selling off at the supply zone, and we are not able to hold the pullback to continue up from here. And most likely, I think we will continue lower. Again, nothing is guaranteed. That's why we have our stop losses. But yes, I'm looking for continuation to the downside. In my opinion, AMD has, again, a room to come lower, at least for this swing play. Okie dokie. Guys, I already did a video on Nvidia this morning. Check that out. But just quickly, I will show you here as well. So let's go to the hourly interval actually. So seems like that bull flag is still holding, trying to hold itself. So this thing got out of that bull flag. Bull flag got activated. It came lower, but it's trying to find a support there. So I talked about in my morning video that, guys, if this pivot fails, technically Nvidia has changed the structure back to the intraday upside as well with this pivot. But if this pivot fails, this is again a failure of structure, and then will again start to become to the downside. So it all comes down to, can this pivot hold? And you don't want to spend a lot of time around here as well. You don't want to spend, it's already spending a lot of time here. So definitely be careful. But yeah, as for technicals, Nvidia is out of that bull flag and trying to find a support in that pivot of potential another intraday upside. But we'll see how high can it go. Yeah, but again, check out my Nvidia video this morning that I did. That will tell you everything that you need to know. And for this video, that was it for AMD, guys. Yep, that's it. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools that you see in the videos, links to my tools are in the description below. And I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.